Now talking about today. Today we will be discussing another method which is known as 2SLS, two stage least square method. Very important, has been asked multiple number of times in your PYQs. So it is also known as 2SLS method. Now I will give you one model and solve that model for me for order condition and rank condition. This is one of the model. This is a simultaneous equation model. Solve for all three equation, rank and order condition, and tell me the final answer. For equation number 3, Arbaz will tell me 2 Manik and 1 Satyam. And also Suhani is there. You can tell me the values of K and M and all those smaller values. Whoever does it first can answer for me. What did you tell? I couldn't catch it because there is so much background noise. Were you telling the values of these, or were you telling the values of the equation 3 that I told you to calculate?
M1 I get M2 steps.
K1 is less than, you are saying, M minus M1 or greater than. For equation 3, I think I gave you equation 3. Order condition and rank condition. Then equation 2, order condition and rank condition. Then equation 1, order condition and rank condition. Now tell me what were you saying? Or you can write it in messages if
मैम एक बार स्लाइड पीछे कर दीजिए.
Abbas, you can say now what were you saying?
For equation M is equal to 2. M is equal to 2, right? And K1 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 and for all K1 M2 M3 1 and for K1 K2 K3 also 1.
मैम इक्वेशन
You
1 के लिए
wait. First of all, let me tell this. When we are calculating capital M, they are the total number of endogenous variable in this whole model. Endogenous means which depend on other models. So y1, y2 and y3, there are total 3 numbers of endogenous variable. That is why it is 3, not 2. And small k is total number of exogenous variable which do not depend, which here are x1, x2 and x3, and hence the answer is 3 for this also. Okay, Arbas. And now we will be taking particular equation. Suppose if I talk about this equation 1, then small m1, what should be the value of small m1? Can anybody tell me?
मैम 2.
Yes, it is 2. Because on the right hand side, the number of endogenous variables, the number of y's we can say, y2 and y3. So 2. And for m2, it is only 1. So 1 is correct. And for y3, it is 1. So 1 is correct. Now k1, k2 and k3 are all correct. So that is how it has to be done. Calculate for equation 3 Arbaz, order condition and rank condition. So Satyam was talking about equation 1. Calculate, Arbaz will calculate for 3 and Manik will tell us about 2. Tell us Arbaz. Oh, sorry. Satyam.
मैम k माइनस k1. अच्छा मैम डायरेक्ट बता दूँ क्या?
Huh? Everybody
ऑर्डर
will do.
कंडीशन में वो आइडेंटिफिएबल आया है.
Over.
यस मैम.
For identifiable, I'm writing I. And rank condition?
आइडेंटिफिएबल आया है.
Huh. If anybody has any doubt or is not coming equal to this, then they can ask us. They can ask me, and I will write how is that come like this. If you have any doubt anywhere, you can ask me freely. Then talking about equation 2 and 1, Arbaz or Manik, whoever has done can answer me. Sorry,
Ma'am,
2 and 3.
equation order condition exactly identifiable
Hmm.
or rank condition identifiable.
Then 3 is left, Arbaz.
Ma'am, EI and I, ma'am.
Sorry. EI and I.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Does everybody agree with everyone's answer? Because I have to check them. Have you checked for other equations also? Okay, Manik has checked. So this is the correct answer. Now here, equation 3 satisfies our condition. Equation 2 also satisfies our condition. But equation 1, there is some one order condition which is over identified. Whenever there is even one order condition which is over identified, and finally our model is identifiable, over identifiable, and finally our model is identifiable or on the whole, then we can solve this model by using 2 SLS method. When this condition arises where one of the either one or more order conditions are over identifiable, then we go towards solving it by 2 SLS, 2 stage least square estimation method. Now how will we do that? For stage 1, we will regress y1 on all the 3 exogenous variables. So here y1 will reduce to, let us say we are taking, earlier we were taking the variables like alpha, beta and gamma. Here let us take the variables. What should we take? Let me take delta naught plus delta 1 x1 plus delta 2 x2 plus delta 3 x3 plus mu1 I have taken. So I can write this as y1 is equals to x delta plus epsilon, sorry, plus u. 1 I can write because we will be taking u's and y's and x. Okay. So I can write this model like this. Now from here, by using OLS method, I will be able to find the value of delta cap, which is nothing but the values as delta naught cap, delta 1 cap, delta 2 cap, and delta 3 cap, right? And then we can keep this value of delta cap in y1 in this equation. Then we can find the final value of y1 cap, right? Can we do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now talking about the second equation, which will be regress y2 on x1, x2 and x3. Similar process we'll be following. Y2 will be equal to, let us take theta here, theta naught plus theta 1 x1 plus theta 2 x2 plus theta 3 x3 plus epsilon, okay, u1, u2. Now this also we can calculate it by y2 is equals to x2 theta, but here we cannot take x1, x2 because all of them are same. So let us take x only. X theta plus u2. Now again here we can calculate the value of theta cap, and from this you have to write by OLS, and from this we can calculate the value of y2 cap is equals to x theta cap. In the same manner we can do for y3. We can write similarly, or if you want to explain the whole procedure, if it comes under 15 marks, then state for this also. Similarly, y3 cap is equals to x. Now what variable should I take here? Tell me one variable. We have taken alpha, beta, gamma, theta, delta, and tell me one more variable which I can take.
mu.
Yeah, we can take here mu cap. So we have got this. Okay. Now this was our stage 1 to regress these variables. Talking about our stage 2, because this is a two stage least square estimate. In stage 2, what do? We keep these estimated models in the original equation. Suppose my original equation was y1. What was my original equation? Alpha naught plus alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3. Alpha naught plus alpha 1 y2 plus alpha 2 y3 plus alpha 3 x1 plus epsilon 1. Here we can take the values of y2 cap and y3 cap, and hence we can find the final original model like this. The y2 cap and y3 cap we have calculated from here. We can keep them here, and by solving this we can find the final